So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is binary tree zigzag level order traversal. Okay, so now what do you mean by a zigzag level order traversal? Let's understand this with the help of an example. Now let us see this tree. This tree has 3, 9, 20, 15, 7. So a zigzag traversal means you are traversing level by level, first from left to right, then from right to left, then again from left to right, and so on. So 3, then 20, 9, then 15, 7. So in this way, you are traversing the tree from left to right, then right to left, then left to right, then right to left. So clearly the question gives us the indication that we can apply a level order traversal. But we need to modify, we need to make sure that we are traversing right to left. We are traversing right to left when the level in the next level, and we are traversing left to right in the previous level. So we will simply go on with our level order traversal. But what additional we will do is we will keep a check of a level, like what level it is. So initially we can assign level 1. Now it will happen that if the levels are odd, then we need to traverse from left to right. But if the levels are even, then we need to traverse from right to left. So we will use that property only. So we can initialize a queue, a vector of vector int answer. We will push root into the queue, keeping level as 1. Now we will start our level order traversal. We will have a temporary answer array for that particular level. So we will simply do the level order traversal by considering the temp node, which is the front node, and then if temps left is there or temps right is there, we will push that into the queue and we will pop from the queue and update the answer as well. So this for loop will ensure that a particular level is into the our answer temp. Now we will check if the level %2 equals to 0. That means if it is at the even level, then we need to reverse it, as we have considered first as our level 1 as our root node, then subsequent levels. So we need to reverse answer temp dot begin to answer temp dot end. Finally, we will push back our answer temp into the answer. Now, if the level is odd, then we need not reverse it, and then we will increment the level. So yeah, guys, this was how you can do this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked the video, you liked the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, as well as share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.